Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping on Amazon, then you're in for a treat. In this video, I'll show you how to get free Amazon gift cards with a simple and legit method that actually works. No surveys, no hidden fees, no waiting for weeks to get paid. And the best part, this works worldwide, so make sure to watch until the end because I'll walk you through every step so you can do this too. Let's get started. First, go to funzap.com. This site provides access to real digital gift cards and rewards. It's completely safe, and I've personally tested it. No scams, no fake promises, just real rewards. Search for Amazon gift cards. Once you're on the site, type Amazon into the search bar. Right now, I see $50 and $100 gift cards available. These are limited, so grab yours before they run out. Complete 2 quick tasks. To unlock your Amazon gift card, you need to complete 2 simple tasks. These tasks are super easy and may include installing an app and opening it for a few seconds, trying a free trial for a trusted service, watching a short video. And don't worry, everything is safe and comes from official sources like the Google Play Store and App Store. Get your gift card code. Once you complete both tasks, go back to FunZap and click Show Gift Card Code. Your Amazon gift card code will now be fully visible. No waiting, no hassle. Now head over to your Amazon account, go to Redeem a Gift Card, enter the code, and boom, your balance updates instantly. You can now use this balance to buy anything you want on Amazon for free. Why this method is the best. Unlike other methods, this one actually works, and here's why. No long surveys. You don't have to waste time answering questions. No credit card required. Just complete the tasks and get your reward. Instant payout. No waiting weeks for your gift card. Works worldwide. Most people can use this, no matter where they are. So instead of wasting time on sketchy apps, use a method that actually pays. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can earn free Amazon gift cards and start shopping right away. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you've tried this method. And of course, subscribe for more legit ways to earn online. I have tons of amazing content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!